Guys, so I decided to post a video on how to get a lot of money in donutsmp. So first I recommend doing like orders. For example, what I do is I go to search, I type in shulker, and then I go to most money per item, and then if I don't have like a specific one, I go down to the next one, which will be this one. And then if I were to give them 32 shulker boxes, I would make around 32,500, I believe. Or if you want to, you can do like duels and stuff. And yeah. And like if you want to get the shulker boxes, all you have to do is just type in shop, and then get these. And let me go ahead and preview to you guys if this actually works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some. Then go to orders. Nope, wrong one. And then shulker. Since I don't have the purple one, I'll go down to this one. And then all you have to do is just place every single thing of that category you have into this box. If you want to put it in faster, I recommend pressing shift and then using your left mouse button to put it in there. And then press E. And then as you can see, it says 36,720,000. Confirm, delivering, and now I have more money. Now I have 200 grand. And I hope this helped you guys. Make sure you have a good day. And don't mind my deaths or my kills. And yeah, have a good day.